Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a question that's been popping up a lot. Is Modalyst dropshipping free? Let's be honest, who doesn't love the idea of starting an online business without breaking the bank? Well, in this video, we're going to dissect Modalyst and its pricing structure to see if it's truly the free ride we all hope for. Imagine this, you've got a killer idea for an online store. You've picked out the perfect products, designed a sleek website, and are ready to hit the publish button. But then reality sets in. You need to invest in inventory, shipping, and other costly overhead. That's where dropshipping comes in, promising a way to start a business without the upfront investment. And Modalyst has been one of the popular platforms for this. Understanding Modalyst. So what exactly is Modalyst? It's a dropshipping platform that connects you with suppliers who handle the inventory, shipping, and customer service. You essentially create your online store and curate products from their marketplace. When a customer buys something, you place the order with the supplier, who then ships it directly to the customer. The free plan. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. Is Modalyst free? Well, yes and no. They do offer a free plan, but it comes with some limitations. The free plan allows you to create a store, add products, and even process orders. However, there are a few catches. Limited product selection. You won't have access to the entire Modalyst catalog. The free plan restricts you to a smaller pool of products. Transaction fees. While you won't pay a monthly fee, you'll be charged a transaction fee for each order processed through your store. Branding limitations. The free plan might have some restrictions on your ability to customize your store's branding. The paid plans. If you want to unlock the full potential of Modalyst, you'll need to upgrade to one of their paid plans. These plans offer more features, including expanded product catalog, access to a wider range of products, no transaction fees, enjoy fee-free transactions, advanced customization, more control over your store's design and branding, additional tools, features like bulk product importing and advanced analytics. The exact pricing for the paid plans can vary, so it's best to check their website for the most up-to-date information. Is Modalyst right for you? So, is Modalyst the free dropshipping platform of your dreams? Well, it depends. If you're just starting out and want to test the waters without a significant investment, the free plan might be a good option. However, if you're serious about building a successful online business, you'll likely need to consider one of their paid plans to take advantage of all the features and benefits. Additional considerations. Before you jump into Modalyst, there are a few other factors to keep in mind. Product quality. While Modalyst does have quality control measures in place, it's always a good idea to research the suppliers and their products before adding them to your store. Customer service. Make sure Modalyst's customer support is responsive and helpful. A good support team can be invaluable when you encounter issues. Shipping times. Consider how long it takes for products to be shipped to your customers. Long shipping times can negatively impact your customer satisfaction. In conclusion, Modalyst offers a free dropshipping plan that can be a great starting point, but it's important to understand the limitations. If you're looking for a more comprehensive solution, their paid plans provide additional features and benefits. Ultimately, the best way to determine if Modalyst is right for you is to explore their platform, research the suppliers, and weigh the pros and cons based on your specific business goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.